Good morning to you, dear children. I hope you all are safe and sound by the grace of God. Hearty welcome to our online class of Class 6 English 2, chapter number 10, and the name of the chapter is Objects of Verb. Children, today I am going to teach you objects of verb, direct objects of verb, indirect objects of verb. Before learning objects of verb, children, let us know what is a verb. A verb is the most important part of a sentence. Every sentence must have verb. There can be no sentence without a verb. The verb may tell about an action, doing words, state, be verbs, or possession have verbs. It changes form and may combine with helping verbs to express time, present, past, and future. Children, let us come to the main topic of the class, objects of verb. Very often we are confused about the concept. About objects of verb, but it is very easy if we know the rules. Children, let us learn what is object of verbs with example. The noun phrase or pronoun that receives or is affected by the action indicated by the verb in a sentence is called object of verb. For example, children, all of you see the blackboard. Example 1, the bees stung Raghav. Here the action indicated by the verb stung is received by the object noun Raghav. You see the example 2, the producer has selected him. The action indicated by the verb has selected is received by the object pronoun him. The president addressed the nation. The third example, the action indicated by the verb addressed is received by the object noun phrase the nation. I think you have understood about objects of verb. Children, there are 3 types of objects of verb: direct object, indirect object, and objects of the prepositions. Let us first begin with direct object of verb. I will explain with the help of examples. Direct object of the verbs, the noun phrase or pronoun that receives or is affected by the action indicated by the verb is called the direct object of the verb. The object of the verb usually follows the verb. In order to find out the direct object, we have to ask the question whom or what after the verb in a sentence. For example, children, all of you see the blackboard. First example, Sarah picked strawberries. The action indicated by the verb picked is received by the object noun strawberries. Hence, strawberries is the direct object of the verb picked. You see the example number 2, the tourist visited the museum. The action indicated by the verb visited is received by the object noun phrase the museum. Hence, The museum is the direct object of the verb visited. Children, I think you have understood about the direct object of the verb. Let us know what is the indirect object of the verb. Second point, a noun, noun phrase or pronoun that occurs in addition to the direct object of the verb is called as the indirect object of the verb. Or the noun phrase or pronoun that receives the direct object of the verb is called as indirect object of the verb. Children, always remember that the indirect object is usually a living being, a person or animal to or for whom the action is done. Indirect object comes before the direct object. For example, children, all of you see the blackboard. The banker paid the man his money. Here the indirect object is the man. One who receives the direct object is money. The dentist gave me an injection. Here the indirect object is me, because he receives the direct object, an injection. The noun phrase or pronoun that follows the preposition is called as the object of prepositions. For example, children, you see the blackboard. Some good furniture was made by the carpenter. Here the noun phrase, the carpenter, is the object of the preposition by. Example number 2, the fight landed on Monday. The noun Monday is the object of the preposition on. So children, you have understood all the concepts, objects of verb, direct and indirect objects, and the objects of the prepositions. Today I conclude my class here. Thank you, and please take care of yourself.